Hello everyone, today we will be going over the following course for deep learning within this whole tutorial series. Within this course, we will be going over key concepts and also concept examples to be able to solidify a given concept within deep learning, along with a couple practice problems to be able to help solidify a given concept that we have. In this course, we're looking to be able to cover the whole field within just the foundational aspect, along with understanding the applications and practices within deep learning to give a whole hierarchical view and to be able to solidify our understanding. In order to understand more further in depth about this course, having a further in-depth understanding within software engineering and software engineering principles is beneficial. However, you can also code along within the given examples that we will present within the following course. And so if you're looking to understand further in depth within deep learning, this playlist is for you. And without any further hesitation, let's get started.